started the journey with all these people when we did the trailer launch, and everyone who's important is over here. The entire Eros team, the entire marketing team, I think we've all been through a lot together and we've pulled it off eventually. Sajid sir is here, Rohit is here, who's very important. And John is here, but the most important person, John, is Bradman, I think, who was refusing to leave the stage क्योंकि actually hero वही है, picture में भी उसी ने विराट शर्मा को बचाया था, तो hero Bradman ही है.
It felt fantastic. Varun and me, I've always mentioned before the release that our chemistry is beautiful in the film, and we hope that we can go on and on and on this, because we really get along genuinely off the screen, and I think that's very important. And we've got actually 2 more heroes in this film who are here. And first of all, congratulations to Eros. They really pushed me especially to market the film, and also to all the media in general, barring a few differences, but all the media in general, they have been absolutely fantastic and very supportive.
It's great to have a fantastic team, and my company is what my team is made of. I had some great actors, some great directors, great studios backing me, a great luck of mine, great family pushing me through, and it's great to again repeat 2014 where we had 4 hits in a row, and 2016 3 again. Thank you Rohit, and thank you Varun, John, and the team.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Places in Gurgaon and Bangalore were even shut on Saturday. Completely shut right till 5 in the evening. There have been floods all over the country. We've had an excellent weekend. The numbers have been huge. And then the people who have not seen the film over the weekend, the audiences have supported the film in such a big way that all those numbers are spilled over to Monday, Tuesday, and even as we talk today, the numbers for today are very nice.
It was better that Varun direct John. Because Varun has seen me directing John, so he can act like me and
you.
how I direct
Like
John.
you, alright?
Yeah.
Varun, are you up for the challenge?
I think that would make more sense.
No, I think we're not going to do that because the minute I start behaving like Rohit, John's going to start behaving like me. So it's not going to look very good. But let me just say that this is a very proud day for me as a younger brother, as an actor as well. Dishyam has always been a film that I'm going to be super duper proud of in my filmography. And just the way it's won people's hearts, and I don't know if I've not told you all this story, but nowadays whenever I go in the car, if I'm going anywhere for rehearsals or anything, people look at me and they're like,
Aww,
so it's
that is
become
so
so
good.
just through sign language, it's like that's the show, and then they like it, and that's the way they communicate, and that's what means the most, more than the numbers, more than anything, it's people's love and adulation. And I just want to thank the media that's over here. It's been raining, but wherever we've gone in the country, especially in Bombay, because this Mumbai mein itna bura raha hai barish. You all have come everywhere, the photographers, the camera people, the journalists. So really appreciate that you all have helped us push this movie on.
Correct. उनको actually बहुत interest दिखाया उन्होंने कि पूरी टीम को पिक्चर देखनी है. फिलहाल वेस्ट इंडीज में, and by the time टीम पोर्ट ऑफ स्पेन पहुंचे अगले टेस्ट के लिए we'll be organizing a screening for them. They're all very excited about the film because they've heard that the cricket has been shot in an extremely realistic manner, and we've dealt with the cricketer also like a soldier. He's like a martyr in the film. वो देशभक्त है वो character.
So what's really cool is that Mohinder Amarnath ji film में भी है, and he really liked the film. He was very happy with the way the cricket was shot and the way we've shown Indian cricketer, and उन्होंने एक personal message भी भेजा रोहित को. So I think that means a lot when someone as great as him gives you a thumbs up. And जैसे कि रोहित ने कहा कि साजिद सर ऑर्गेनाइज कर रहे कि पोर्ट ऑफ स्पेन में हम लोग हमारे इंडियन टीम को शायद सिखा दें.
Thank you.